Okay, is this working? Okay. Okay, I'm live. Oh my god, that's just too much noise here. I decided to stream a little bit today as the last day, and I'm not showing my light speed level 2 because I don't know if I can do that. Just my charts and my positions will be here if I'm gonna take any positions. So I'll just stream a little bit, and I don't know if I'm gonna take any trades because the market doesn't seem that strong yet. And we're leaving on holiday, ski holiday today, so I don't know how long I'll be able to spend on the computer today. So I thought I would just do a quick stream. If I take any trades on the open, I'll take some, and then we'll see. So I'm just gonna switch off my my video because we don't need that. So if there's gonna be anything, it will be there visible. And if I'm gonna have something to comment about, because I'm listening to some professional traders as well. So yeah, I'm gonna focus on that rather than chat. Only when I'm gonna try to say something that's I think worth saying. So I'm gonna switch off the camera feed, and here we are. I'm gonna switch off the camera because it's running on battery, and the batteries are very old. It's a Canon Mark II, 5D Mark II. It's an old camera, and the batteries are dying. So, okay, I guess you can see everything there. Right. So, gonna switch off the sound for now. Either something is very laggy, or it's just the market doesn't move as it should on at the open. Very weird. SLGG is breaking out. Not taking any trades. And I'm glad I didn't, because I was looking at the OCGN here. But look at this. It's just not worth it. and it's super slow. There's not much going on. The spread on it is huge. Look at this. Like, I mean, that's not huge spread, but it's for open 905, 909, and hardly any transactions. I don't know. Not very interested. And it's selling off anyway. CLPS. Wonder actually who's watching me. There's one concurrent viewer. Who are you, person? Why would you be watching me? It's nice that someone is watching, but there's not much over here at this point. I mean, the reason I'm making these videos is just to have a like a record of how it went for me, and because for most of the people who stream, they already achieved it and they went through the struggle, and very rarely it is shown. Look at this one, XTLB. Yeah, topped at this earlier resistance, and that's done. I don't see anything for me. Just don't want to increase my losses, or I don't want to have another red day. Plus, I always take some trades. I know it's demo, but maybe it's a day not to take any trades. GME broke out over here yesterday, and I made some money in demo on it, on this move. But as usual, I lost some as well, quite big losses. Okay, this one is breaking down to the downside. Let's just see. I'm not gonna think. NetX. Be nice to short it there. Nothing here. Look at the range. It's like nothing. Oh, by clicking there, my position window disappears. Let's do it like this. Yep. CGN is selling off hard, huh? Oh, hard. like this trade I took just now on ice. It's like, where is that? It's it's so slow. The range is so small, and has to make a really big move for me to get a profit. So I have to have a perfect entry. I was about here, but then it's not convincing that it will go much higher because of this candle there. So I sold it, but it's just so risky for only 10 cents. Obviously, it's climbed a little bit higher. Yeah, I should have kept it. I should have. I'm kind of thinking of like selling half on the move up, and then hold the rest for bigger move. But with the share size I'm trading, it's like nothing, especially on a day like today. So there's eyes. I'm not taking this trade. So seller stacked up. Is it gonna break? And how big the move is gonna be after it breaks? Never know, but there you go. It's broke. So sometimes I'm thinking like after a break, right? It people are taking profit, it drops down, and that's a good entry point to enter. If it's not actually selling off, might be a good one to hold for the long again, right? Because it's now it is maybe. So that's the thing. You never know. It does drop quickly, right? So now it's gonna take this away. Yeah, it dropped eventually. So how high did it go? 256. So if I was going for the break of 50, I would get in 51 maybe, and then for 5 cents. That's ridiculous. That's not worth it. That's why I decided not to trade it. So this tiny trade here. I wonder. Okay, I think it's a day to focus on education. I'm gonna I guess spend some time doing that. Um, I'm actually looking at the book. Where's that? I got interested in one of the books. Where is it? What is it called? I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna check it. Oh, because Mike is here. Um, it's called How to Make Money in Stocks. William J. O'Neill. Uh, that one. So I'm thinking of digging more deeply into this one, but it's like more like a swing trading. Uh, while I'm building my account, hopefully with the momentum like on 1 minute and 5 minutes, like I'm doing at the moment. It's just something to keep me entertained and progressing my education. So I'll just go to here, and that would be how to make. I heard it being recommended by quite a lot of people. So it's this one, I mean. It's got a lot of good reviews. It's quite an old one, but I guess it's talking about systems that worked for for 100 years, right? And the setups repeat over and over and over. And there's lots of people who spend time educating themselves in the last 10 years, and they've really profited during the 2020 rally because they can recognize the moves. The chart tells them the story, and they get in regardless of the public opinion or those fake guru opinions or CNBC. So I want to spend a little bit on this one to learn more and more. So maybe there will be in a couple of years another rally like in 2020. So maybe I'll be ready by then. But for now, I'm just starting small. So we'll see. So I'm gonna, I think, finish the stream. I might be streaming some or making some videos depending on the how the internet is during the skiing trip. But I might not have that much time to do these. So it'd be nice to have a rest, like get away from, I guess, from the computer screens before I start trading live towards the end of March, I think. So yeah, that's that. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.